Every time I make popcorn like this, everyone ends up asking me for the recipe. So today, I'm finally showing you exactly how I do it. I'll start by cutting about 7 ounces of pepperoni into small pieces. You can also use smoked sausage if you prefer. Just make sure to keep the pieces small so everything cooks evenly. Trust me, you're going to fall in love with this method. This recipe is simple, quick, and perfect for those moments when you just want something different to snack on any time of the day. Now, let's move to the pan. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter, and I'm also adding a little bit of olive oil. This helps prevent the butter from burning and gives everything a smoother, richer flavor. Let it melt completely. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can give you a special shout out. Now go ahead and add the sausage to the pan. Listen to that sizzle. It already smells incredible. This is one of those recipes that's ridiculously easy, but still manages to impress everyone who tries it. It's made for people who love practicality, but don't want to give up flavor. With just a few ingredients, you'll see that the real magic is in the simplicity. Keep stirring until the sausage gets nicely golden. And just like that, perfect. Today's shout out goes to Jason Miller from Austin, Texas. I'm really glad you've been enjoying the recipes. Now I'm adding 1 cup of popcorn kernels. Give everything a really good mix so all that flavor from the sausage coats the popcorn. Have you ever mixed anything with popcorn before? If you have a secret combo, let me know in the comments. Now cover the pan and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Keep an eye on it since cooking time may vary. As the popcorn starts popping, you'll hear that rhythm building, and that's when you know something amazing is happening inside the pan. The aroma gets stronger, the flavors intensify, and suddenly your whole kitchen smells incredible. And look at this, super easy, right? At this point, everything is coming together beautifully. And chances are you already have these ingredients sitting in your kitchen. I love sharing recipes like this because they're so easy to make and always deliver. Today, you just learned a completely different way to make popcorn. And these ingredients together create a true explosion of flavor. Whenever you feel like eating something different, just make this recipe. It's perfect for family time, movie nights, or even just a quick snack. I'm going to transfer some into a smaller bowl here just to try it. When I have people over, I usually divide it into smaller bowls. It makes it easier for everyone to enjoy. This is the kind of recipe you make once and never forget because it's just that good and practical. Let me know what you think. I'd really love to hear your opinion. I make this every weekend, and every single time, nothing is left. My family loves it and always asks me to make more. Enjoy.